What's up everybody, this is Yair and today we are going to draw Ultra Ego Vegeta. Okay, so today we are going to draw Ultra Ego Vegeta, and this time it's gonna be a profile pose. That's why the square is slightly on the left side and not at the center. So go ahead and draw a perfect square. Each side is 5 centimeters, but you can draw it in any size you want to. And without further ado, let's get to it. First, we are going to start by drawing a rough shape of the face. And now we are going to start by drawing Vegeta's lumps above the eyes. This is the same shape as the Super Saiyan 3 lumps. Next, we are going to draw the nose using 5 lines, and as you can see, it's very similar to the nose drawn in a 3/4 pose. From that point, we are going to draw the lips. We'll start with the upper lip and the bottom lip, and then give him a very cocky smile. We'll continue by drawing the jaw. And then we'll draw his massive forehead, but take into account that I'm gonna fix it later on, just because I think it turned up a bit too high. Next, we'll draw the ear. We'll start with the shape and then add all the details inside. We'll do some adjustments. And then we'll draw the eye by using 3 lines, 2 diagonals and the curve. We'll add the iris and the pupil, and of course the famous cheek marks. Next, we're going to draw his earring, the same earring Beerus has. And we'll zoom out and draw the torso. So first we're going to start by drawing the neck. Next we'll draw his traps just by drawing 2 curves. We'll refine his Adam's apple. And add his neck muscles. Next, we're going to draw his chest and the shoulders. We'll do that by using some nice curves. So as you can see, the torso is facing towards us, but the face is at a profile angle. Awesome, next we're going to draw his glorious purple hair, so we'll start by drawing the shape of the hair. Once we got the overall shape, it's easier to draw the rest of the spikes, because now we can maintain the right symmetry and proportions. We'll get rid of all the guidelines. Now please ignore this part where I draw the vein, because I'm gonna draw it later on. If you guys remember, I'm gonna fix the forehead just like I said in the beginning. So just go ahead and add some lines to the spikes of hair. Just draw them with the direction of the shape. And as you guys can see, I'm starting the inking process, but before we continue, let's go ahead and fix the forehead. I'm just gonna make it a bit smaller. Not that there's anything wrong with the forehead, but it's more similar to earlier Vegeta back in the Dragon Ball Z days. Now his forehead is a bit smaller than before. And of course, draw the vein, just like that. Awesome, so now you can go ahead and go all over the lines using your black color pencil, or you can use a black pen. Just make sure to hold the pen closer to the tip, that way you will have more control. And please rotate the page so you can have your natural hand movement. Awesome, once it's done, please grab a purple color pencil and we'll color the eyes, leaving a blank spot at the edge. Next we're going to color his earring. We'll use a yellow color pencil and a gray color pencil. Awesome, and now it's time for the shading process. So first we are going to mark all the shaded areas for this drawing, and I want the main light source to come from the left side. As you can see, I'm using the transparent paper so I won't smear the drawing with my hand. And if you guys don't know by now, this process is called cel shading. It's what they did in 2D animation back in the day, in traditional 2D animation, and it's also what they are doing now in the digital 2D era. Awesome, next we are going to start by shading the darkest areas. For that we are going to hold the pencil closer to the tip. That way we can apply more pressure and therefore we'll get more lead on the paper, resulting in a very dark shade of grey. Next we are going to shade the brightest areas. For that we are going to hold the pencil closer to the eraser this time, and that way we'll apply less pressure, resulting in a very bright tone of grey. And of course make sure to shade with the direction of the shape. Awesome, and next we are going to shade the mid-tone. For that we are going to apply a bit more pressure than before, adding more layers, and by doing that we'll get a mid-tone of grey. Awesome, so we are going to do the same process for the face, for the skin tone. Awesome, next, if you guys want, you can blend the colors using your finger just to get a very smooth transition. Of course, get rid of all the unnecessary lead. Let me just fix this part right there. And now, just to make the drawing a bit more interesting, I decided to add a geometrical shape. I wanted to go with the triangle. It's about 12 centimeters long. And of course, I went with the purple color to resemble Vegeta's Ultra Ego form. And we are done, everybody. I think this is the first tutorial I did for a profile angle, so please let me know what you think about it in the comment section, and subscribe if you're new. I upload new videos every week, 4 new tutorials every week. Without your support, this channel will be gone. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching. Keep being awesome as always, and I'll see you on the next video very soon. Peace.